Sag. What sag? I'm just recording it. That's not how allergies work. My allergy is muish ke awas is allergen wa ura dizbizanam destoyam anashayam. I had some trouble breathing last night. It wasn't that bad though. Got some sleep. Follow him. Damn, nigga looks hungry as hell, bro. He wants another bite. Hey, yo, follow him. He's got your food, dog. Yo, figure guy non peshak bud waqt shake me kadi. What are you hungry? Roza bigri. Peshak Musliman asti. What the fuck are you doing? Licking the bag? I swear to God. I won't touch. Alright. Oh, did you give him any catnip? No. Give him catnip, bro.
Nobody has catnip on them.
That's true. I'm gonna go buy some catnip tomorrow. Catnip's like tobacco, right? It's like the equivalent. It's like cat marijuana. Hey, buddy. It's a plant. I think they smell it or they eat it, and they release all their dopamine. I'll grab you like boba. Yeah, just chill, nigga. Look like you about to pound somebody, bro. I gotta go shower. This nigga's so curious. What you smell him, nigga? Sorry, baby boy. You're gonna kill me.
این در حالی است که پیش از این نیز گزارش‌های در پیوند به کشته شدن شهروندان در نتیجه شلیک نیروهای امنیتی در استان‌های
Happy kitty.
در بخش‌های گوناگون کابل و برخی از
Hey, Windsor.